Hi, today I'm going to do a detailed review of PC Insider's World Elite Mastercard. In this video, I'll break down everything in a simple and honest way so that you can decide if this card is the right one for you. You know whether this is the best no-fee style value card right now or not. So let's get started. The PC Insider's World Elite Mastercard is the premium credit card in the PC financial ecosystem. It's designed for people who are deeply involved in the PC Optimum Rewards program. And this is important. It is not a general everyday rewards card. This card is specifically built for people who shop at Loblaws grocery stores, Shoppers Drug Mart, Joe Fresh, Esso and mobile gas stations. So think of it as a lifestyle card for people already inside the PC ecosystem. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of traditional cashback, this card earns you PC Optimum points, which can be redeemed for discounts at checkout in participating stores. Now let us talk about the main features of the card. PC Optimum Reward System. This is the core of the card. Yes, instead of cashback, you earn points that can be redeemed in store. The value is simple. 10,000 points is $10 in rewards. So effectively, your points act like store credits at participating retailers. But the catch is you don't get maximum value unless you shop within their partner stores. Next is PC Express Pass benefits. One underrated feature is the included PC Express Pass. This gives you free grocery delivery and pickup on eligible orders. Normally, this is a paid subscription, so it adds real value if you regularly order groceries online. Travel and insurance coverage. Even though this is not a travel-heavy card, it still includes travel emergency medical insurance, car rental collision damage waiver, purchase protection, and extended warranty coverage. So you do get a basic safety net when traveling or making big purchases. Next is the ecosystem-based rewards advantage. The biggest feature of this card is not a benefit, it's the ecosystem. So if you shop at Loblaws or Shoppers Drug Mart or Esso or Mobile, you can stack up points extremely fast compared to standard cards. But outside that ecosystem, the rewards drop significantly. Now, what is the pricing like? Well, annually, there's a $120 fee that applies. The first year annual fee is usually waived. Also, there's a purchase interest rate, which is a standard one at 21.99%, and a cash advance interest rate, which is also a standard one at 22.97%. And for you to get the first year annual fee waived, you need to have a minimum of $80,000 in a personal or $150,000, which is a household annual income. If you have lesser than that, you might not be able to get your first year annual fee waived. So it's not truly a no-fee card, but many people experience it as effectively low cost because of the first year waiver. And of course, when you shop within the ecosystem, you stand more chances of gaining points, which can eventually add up to the annual fee. Now, what are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. Very high reward rate at Shoppers and Loblaws, strong everyday earning if you stay in the ecosystem, free PC Express grocery delivery pass, and it's good value for families and frequent grocery shoppers. How about the cons? The card is weak outside the PC partner stores. A $120 annual fee applies if you cannot get it waived because you can meet up to the requirements. No flexible redemption like cashback or travel points. And there's high income requirements for approval. And it's not useful if you shop across multiple retailers. So here's the big question. Is the PC Insider's World Elite Mastercard the best no-fee style value card right now? Well, the short answer is no. It's not a universal best card. But here's the longer truth. The card is actually a high-performing niche rewards card, not a general everyday credit card. So if your spending is heavily focused on grocery shopping at Loblaws, pharmacy purchases at Shoppers Drug Mart, or fuel at Esso or Mobile, then this card can absolutely deliver some of the highest reward returns in Canada for that lifestyle. In fact, some users can realistically earn hundreds of dollars in value per year just from normal spending. But the downside is just as important. Yes, if you step outside that ecosystem, even if it's slightly, the value drops. And it drops quickly compared to other cashback or travel cards. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore a simple cashback card, a travel rewards card, and a no-fee everyday spending card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.